Hi everybody. So I am doing a final project on advising online students through Starfish. My project is actually finished. So, and I didn't realize that I couldn't go back and show you, once I recorded it, that I couldn't go back and show you how I had put it all together. But I did create a Prezi video presentation. So I'll give you just a few looks at it. It's about 12 minutes long. And it goes through the different, I don't want to give a lot of it away, but it goes through the different things that we're going to discuss about online advising and how Starfish can help. I do have two videos that are going to come in from Long Beach City College and Finger Lakes Community College. They're going to discuss kind of how they use Starfish on their campus, that kind of thing. I did create a script for my presentation. That way I didn't seem all over the place. As you can see here, I kind of created what I was going to say. I developed my different slides based off of the information that I wanted to put out. And then at the end, I did do references that I use, which is important. I did, at the end of my video as well, do a reference slide so that you could see the references that I used. Some of the things that I learned kind of were, you know, keeping everything in line, keeping everything in order. My objective with this presentation was to show you, at the beginning I'm going to start with what do online advising students look like, what do they battle, what do they go up against, how to create effective online advising, what are some best practices that you can use, and then I went into actually the Starfish system. I did find some obstacles with Starfish. It has recently been bought by another company, so the resources that are available to look in and see how Starfish works were limited. I did have to depend on those other colleges that had created YouTube videos to kind of show you the Starfish modalities. So my key resources were really the Long Beach Community College and Finger Lakes Community College on seeing the inside look at Starfish. NACADA was a key resource in the online advising student process, you know, so we have a couple of things from NACADA that I was able to find, the Starfish website, and then some other options. So that's kind of what I'm going to have coming at you for my final project. I hope that you all are looking forward to it, and I welcome any feedback you may have. Thanks. Bye-bye.